I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You own the domain and have a published Google site. Once done, sign into your registrar and open DNS management in one browser tab and keep Google Sites in another. Make sure you publish the site so Google can provide verification records. Now in Sites, choose Manage Site Settings for custom domains and select the option to use a domain you own. This begins the domain connection workflow and generates the records you'll add next. Follow Google Sites instructions to add DNS records at your registrar, typically one or more records and a CNAME, plus a TXT for verification. In the registrar panel, choose Add Record, pick the correct type, paste the exact host/name and target/value Google provided, and set TTL to 3,600 seconds or default. Save each entry and wait a few minutes. DNS propagation can be fast or take several hours. Keep both tabs open so you can confirm verification in the Sites interface once records exist. After adding records, return to Google Sites and click Verify or Connect to let Google confirm ownership and map the domain. If verification fails, make sure there are no typos, no conflicting /CNAME records, and that the TXT record is exact. Once verified, set the custom domain as the site address and test with HTTP and HTTPS. Google may provision SSL automatically. If problems persist, clear local DNS cache. Try an external DNS checker and contact your registrar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.